Welcome all, this is another video about PTFS. Today, I will be attempting to land at the aircraft carrier in PTFS using the hook. The hook is something at the back of the F-14 Tomcat, the F/A-18 Super Hornet and the F-4 Phantom. It is also used in real life to stop the jets in time. Or else the jets will overrun into the sea. Anyway, let's get started. Over here, I have the F/A-18 Super Hornet. As you saw, the cockpit door animates. Only some jets in PTFS have cockpit doors animation. Let me make this part faster so you don't need to see me take off cause it's also boring. Now, let's fly to the aircraft carrier. I don't want to say the name because I think it is copyright. Where is the aircraft carrier? I saw it just now. Oh, there it is. All these buttons are on mobile. So for PC PTFS players, I'm sorry I cannot show you. So what you want to do now is, first, deploy landing gears. Second, go full flaps. Third, press toggle buttons. Finally, press hook or launch bar. Now the hook is deployed and you're ready to land. You just have to reduce throttle now. Let's hope there is nobody at the carrier. Whoops, that was rough. By the way, good tip when landing, turn on camera lock so your aircraft won't block your view when landing. You gotta be kidding me. There is actually someone at the carrier. Whatever. I can still land there no problem. Wait, I just cannot have another aircraft in my way. Well, that guy is done for. Now, you must land before you reach the wires. Once you land, you must go full throttle again, in case you miss the wire and you can fly back up into the sky. But if you see that the hook starts to retract, you know you successfully landed with the hook. Now, I will show you how to carry a launch. Use the same jets, the F-14 Tomcat, F/A-18 Super Hornet or the F-4 Phantom. I am still using the F/A-18 Super Hornet. By the way, this only works on the aircraft carrier near to Orengia Island in PTFS. Bro, get out of the way. What you want to do is line up behind one of these 4 black lines. Now, you want to press toggle buttons and press hook or launch bar. This ramp behind should come up. If it does not, something is wrong. Now, go full throttle. And whenever you're ready, press carrier launch, which is beside hook or launch bar. And go up to 150 knots just in 3 seconds, depending on the type of jet. Now, watch me fail one time trying to land with the hook. This is why you need to go full throttle after you landed. Alright, this is the end of my video, thank you for watching and bye.